wondered how your food is produced? Have you ever wondered how so much food is produced? We are going to explore what agriculture biotechnology is, how it is used, and how we are going to use it to feed the world. As a fourth-generation farmer, agriculture is near and dear to my heart. It concerns me how much the general consumer is unaware of the agriculture industry and how much they are buying into fear marketing, a tool that uses fear to motivate consumers to buy certain products. For example, chicken that is advertised as hormone and antibiotic-free is using false advertising and fear-based marketing because hormones are illegal in poultry production and all antibiotics have withdrawal periods. Thus, all animals are free of antibiotics when you and I consume them. According to the American Farm Bureau Federation's website, fb.org, in 2016, the average person is at least 3 generations removed from the farm, meaning that they have very little, if any, connection or understanding of agriculture. Farmers strive to produce safe, wholesome food for families across the world. Agriculture biotechnology will be used to help feed our growing population. Agriculture biotechnology is a strange phrase. What do we think of when we hear it? GMOs, freaky labs, contaminated plants or animals that are no good for us? Agriculture biotechnology has been used for centuries, at first not purposely. According to the USDA's website, usda.org, in 2016, agriculture biotechnology is a range of tools, including traditional breeding techniques that alter living organisms, or parts of organisms, to make or modify products, improve plants or animals, or develop microorganisms for specific agriculture uses. Modern biotechnology today includes tools of genetic engineering. Plants began crossing with each other long before human intervention. Simply by the wind or bugs mixing pollen of 2 plants, a hybrid was created, using nature alone. Agriculture biotechnology is simply using modern technology and advanced science to produce more food. We are changing the way that farmers buy seeds. We can now run soil tests on a particular farm and design a specific seed to thrive on said farm. Looking at this poster, bacteria is looked at closely under a microscope. The DNA scientists want to replicate is extracted, found, and then isolated. Then the cloning and designing of genes process begins. Then transformation happens next. Then the cells are put into petri dishes where they culture or grow. Finally, the cells grow and multiply and are used for plant breeding. This process allows for plants and seeds to be created to be suitable for various locations around the world. Farmers utilize agriculture biotechnology because of cost and need. According to the USDA's website, usda.org, in 2016, biotechnology provides farmers with tools that can make production cheaper and more manageable. Farmers are expected to produce more food with less resources and land, so they rely on their yields to increase. This is why GMOs are used by farmers. A GMO stands for genetically modified organisms. Farmers all over the world rely on GMOs to be able to survive and produce food for others. Surely, we cannot expect a plant to grow up here in South Carolina as well as in South Africa. Their conditions are completely different, and this is just not possible. Therefore, scientists have been creating seeds that can produce successful crops for each part of the world. That way, third world countries can start to become more self-sufficient. As we all know, the world is growing at a rapid rate, and farmers are expected to continue to feed the growing world. According to Craig Schaefer's book, Introduction to Agronomy, Food, Crops, and Environment, in 2016, current trends indicate that our world population will reach nearly 9 billion by the year 2050. Now that we have a better understanding of this technology, we are going to see how it will help feed the world. If you didn't already know, the world population is growing, and farmers have to find a way to double the amount of crops we grow by the year 2050. This is according to National Geographic's website, nationalgeographic.com, in 2016. GMOs will help make this possible. They allow for farmers to plant seeds to produce higher yields, which makes for more overall food production. Today we talked about agriculture biotechnology. how it is used, and how we are going to feed the world. Agriculture biotechnology can seem like a scary topic, but just remember that farmers are trying to safely feed the world. They are not out to harm or hurt anyone, just trying to do their job of producing wholesome food for the world to consume. Agriculture biotechnology is using modern technology and science to produce more food. This process is done by trained scientists to create plants and seeds that will thrive all over the world. Farmers have started using it due to cost and to produce more food. Agriculture biotechnology will help feed the world population. Thank you.